Hello friends, this is MC Holy Man for you. I greet you all according to your time. Today is another great day. I come again. Today I want to talk about men and the women, that is marriage, husband and wife. But before I start, please, if you never subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please help your brother MC Holy Man. Hit the notification bell. Anytime I make video, you'll be the first person to receive my upload. Thank you. Yeah. Today what I want to talk about is about marriage. Man and woman. Husband and wife. Yeah. When your marriage not work between you and your wife, did you ask your wife what's the problem? When your wife cheats on you, did you ask your wife why you make this? No. Why you never ask? Is it because of money? No. I have plenty women. They have a lot of money, but they still cheat on their husband. They still cheat on their husband. Is it because of car? No. I have plenty women. They have auto. Their husband buy their motor, but they still cheat on their husband. Why? Because the man is not performing his duty well for bed. Yeah. The first time, learn how to ask your wife a question. It's not a crime, it's not abomination when you ask your wife a question. This is marriage. Yeah. Why this marriage work is man. When your marriage work, the man make the marriage good. The man also make the marriage spoil. When you not perform your duty well, your marriage can never work. One, what is that your wife need in your room, your bed, where you not give? That always bring problem for marriage. Some women need, what do they call it? You understand now? Some women need, like we men, we always give our wife when we need, and it's not good. Your wife come to you when your wife need. It's not because your wife is prostitute or your wife is ashawo or your wife is spoiled for this. No. This is marriage. Okay? One, when you do things with your wife, some men always first come before their wife. But when the men come, they just come, finish, then do their wife so like this for bed, then back their wife. It's not good. When you come, your wife never come. Always bring problem for house. Always bring problem for marriage. When your wife never come and you come, try harder. I know some people when they come, their distance come down. Fine. But what do? You must make sure to find way to make your wife come. The first time, the beginning, you must play with your wife. Not to just come, open and close like all those old phone where they used before. Open, you enter, Google, you finish. No. The first time, what you need, before you come, you play with your wife. You know the areas. Start from here, you go here, do whatever your wife wants. If your wife needs for you to go, so you go. That is marriage. I not ask you to go outside, go talk what you do with your wife in the bedroom. No. Whatever your wife needs, you love your wife before you marry her. Before you make, because it's law is when you go altar, they ask you question. Did you love him? Did you love her? Till death do us part. Fine. That oath you take there, meaning whatever the woman needs, you will do. Whatever the man needs, the woman do it. Don't always wait. Don't always satisfy yourself. It's greedy. Don't always do what you need. It's not good. Ask your wife. Do what your wife need. Okay? Do what your wife need. How to make your wife good? 1, play with your wife well for bed. Till your wife come to the mood before you go. When you go, my brother, I promise you, your wife must come before you. We have some men that not last up to 3 minutes. But when you last 3 minutes, but you perform your duty where that 3 minutes, my brother, it's okay. Not because woman stay 1 year. No, not every woman need that. Some women just need only 2 minutes. You stay there. But when they come, they are okay. But some men stay there 1 year, the woman not come. Why? Because you not do it the way the woman need. You understand me? You not do it. You just do only your own satisfaction the way you need. We dey fight Iraq and Iran. Marriage, sex is just always understanding. And the mood and the cough, your sense, go there. You do it. Gradually. Not you just enter. You look, back. It's not good. When you enter, you do it gradually, like the motor or machine that climbing hill. Small. I know when you want to come, you never know even if you do, it's not okay because the woman have already entered the mode. But when the woman never enter mood, you just enter, you see everywhere lock. No water, nothing. When you finish, the woman begin to feel pain. Not because your distance is too big, no. Because you will not allow the woman come to the point that she needs before you go. When you want to enter now, the woman say no, wait. You start making problem. Why you say I should wait? Will I just do this thing? We go. Is it a prostitute? You pay her money to go overnight. It's your wife. You must do whatever your wife need. If you not do, that is why you see women go outside. Some women always go outside because you never do what the woman need. Please, we need to teach. We need to learn things. We need to learn from our wife. We need to allow our wife to teach us. We need our wife to lecture us. That's what they need for bed. That is today's topic. We need to allow our wife to teach us that's what they need. If you rere me, I rere you. Everything is okay. Okay? Yes. That is today's topic. How to make your wife feel good. How to make your wife feel fine for bed so that your wife will not be cheating on you, to avoid cheating. Ask your wife, what is the problem? Ask your wife, what did you need for bed? What I never do to you. When you begin to ask your wife, my brother, I told you, your marriage will work perfect. You will not experience cheating. You will not be suspecting. Your BP will not be rising because your wife go to market. Your BP will not be rising because your wife go to work. When you begin to experience that, you know because you are not doing it well. You are not doing it right. You need to learn that. You need to learn that. Thank you for today. Thank you for understanding. Another video, I will still tell you the remaining one. This is just short video. Another day, I will tell you the remaining one, how to make everything good in a relationship, husband and wife, anywhere, whether farm or bush or anywhere. Okay? I will say, as the woman lap big rich, that is how he placed on the husband lap. If a woman have a lap, get like turkey, when you carry it, put on top of your lap, you manage it. If your woman lap big, you carry it put on top of you accept it like that because it's what you want before you go there. Never you go to marry a woman you never like. Never you go to marry a woman because of the woman have money. Never you go to marry a woman because of material things. we need to learn how to go with love. We need to learn how to go with love. Okay, guys? We need to learn that. We need to learn that. Love is all about everything. Love is good. Love is everything. Love, when there is no love, the marriage cannot work. Where the love come from? The love comes from when, not because you fight too much. When you give the woman peace, not because you have too much money. No, love comes peace and satisfaction. When you satisfy your wife, when you do your wife well, I promise you, when you wake up in the morning, your wife, before you know, your wife will serve you for bed. When you do your wife well, when you wake up in the morning, before you know, your wife will already take all your dirty clothes to go laundry. But when you never do that, you always remember, my clothes dirty, okay, maybe, when I have chance. But when you always make your wife happy, your wife always makes you too happy. Your wife will not wait you to tell her that your cloth is dirty. Your wife will not wait you to tell her that you are hungry. Your wife will not wait you to tell her that this is time for you to come back for work to prepare food for you. No. She know all that because she always happy. But when you make your wife think too much, when your wife call for think, when you think too much, you forget a lot that you need. Thank you. God bless you for today. I'm always remain MC Holyman, the marriage teacher. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you. Sure.